Big up Crosses TV.
I be a crosses you have over your master.
Call the police.
No, listen, it wasn't them who called it.
Aren't they
Nikki,
call the
Stacy,
police?
not the person who
Just say it again.
Calm
it's
down,
not
T.
them call the police, it's Stacy. Nikki,
You
what wrong
just
with
shot
them, man?
them. You
So
just
the
shot
same
them.
people them call the police then can
No,
Stacy
Stacy
your
Black is
friend.
my friend. What the fuck?
Oh.
Stacy's
What
my
is
friend.
Alright, so Stacy is your friend. That means say, if it's your friend, it's like you then. I wanna call
Alright,
the police.
whatever. She called the police because she fear war. She a fuck the married man. Me run outside behind the wife, the husband, and everybody come here and say, nobody now bust my face and get away with it. So me go outside and start grab up all the daughter, grab up all the sister. And when them come near me, me start spit my blood pan them. I fling my blood pan them. Me see one of the sister going on the car and started. Me going on the passenger side and sit down in the car and say them now left. The husband come in front of me. In front of me, I'm use my foot to kick him, man, and then the police show up. Nikki, you cannot make. There's no reason for me to tell no lie.
I wish Stacy what they do with Prt2.
Yes.
Yeah,
Jesus.
Oh.
If some people dead of a story, I go tell 10 different ways to blood.
I know 10 different ways,
Yeah,
mama.
because guess what?
Me, I tell
Guess
you,
what?
Stacy call the police. You talk about the people. Then why would the people
Mama, we
call
are
the police?
work
Like if you get
way.
to a station,
Mama,
Nikki.
we are work with where you say on
Yeah,
the face.
no, could never. When I told y'all that, I ran outside. And I me one. I remember you said that's fucked up of her because guess what? Remember you said that was fucked up of her because she left you outside by yourself. You forget, Nikki? And she tell me
you just said the girl lock up in her bathroom.
Me never said lock up in the bathroom, but you said that.
You never
So
said
them drag her out of the bathroom. Me never said that. And you tell the side of the story.
Alright, hold on. If you never say the girl lock up in her bathroom,
I never know
why
say
would I
Nikki,
make
you
the
would have
statement?
said them thing again.
Listen up. Why would I make the statement and say that if I fear fight, I'm here by it out? And the one of them
I didn't buy out no fight.
But I beat her
no
blood
fight.
clot. When fight done, me I beat her. Now that me say.
You see, going to the bathroom and see the girl and the dancer in there.
If she never say she lock up in her bathroom.
Fox.
What's that other person I think Cashqueen is? One of them fucking idiot blood clot people, yeah, man. What the fuck me have to lie about? This is what me have talk about. The people are just mix up and swing back and turn around. Nikki, you're right. Your love said that I don't like the egg man. It's so fucking right.
Argue with you. Listen up. Me not argue with you. Me just try to show you a point. That's why sometimes you feel bill, mama. You're going at something blindfolded. Well, there's no way out.
Yeah, but only if you know, Nikki, if you call me for pick you up
so
and me and your
I
friend,
tell you, that's why sometimes you feel bill. You never know.
But only for bill and me. Listen, Nikki, you cannot say that. Because if you and your brethren apart and your brethren tell you come pick you up and you go pick them up, all that have to bill. What bill are you talking about?
What mean what bill me I talk about?
You forget some man or a par every party. What are you talking about, Nikki? You forget that?
Mama, only they know the wife and everybody I know the story and everything. I don't know.
So Stacy the end up and take the man then, Nikki.
I take the man husband and me tell her, I say, yo, listen, you can't end up the way where the man go back home or the man I go.
Husband.
Oh, the woman husband.
Yeah, of course, I try to tell her something because I'm sure something you get caught.
Yeah, but Nikki, you're not letting me talk and it just make it seem like I'm lying.
So all the time now, when you are looking and putting that start war over Stacy now. And
okay,
Susie
well,
said
when they broke up, she didn't like the fact that me and her was friends. He was just coming for me because me and her was friends. And then what happened was
Susie said she have to defend.
Listen.
So Susie right now the comment there.
Well, I know. She one time pretty much lick Stacy and Stacy must end up fuck her up and she go to jail. Like, Pretty Dan call police on her. So now when Pretty Dan turn on and beat the wife and end up go to jail, me and Stacy post the mugshot. You understand what I'm saying? So I saw that the war they start.
Oh, well, Susie said she have to. Susie said, "Are you call the police?" And Susie said, "She have
no shit. That's what I'm talking about with these dumb
It's true.
Are you fucking there?
Right, Susie right at the department.
The word the
man is so fucking on. You know what, Nikki, you're right. It's either me go, cause you know me's a girl where me not afraid of nobody in real life. And it's either me go do radio or whatever. Then people are gonna consider to drag me. But if you don't fuck with them, I'm not really depend them crazy shit, yeah. Cause me's a girl, me not afraid.
Cashqueen that take the lady man too. Susie say, Cashqueen are the one that take the lady man too.
Yeah, you know. You see me talk about them fuck with that dog.
Cashqueen never did the lady man. No.
No.
Susie, leave the girl, you too lie. I judgment you want
I'm
upon
coming,
her.
going some for your dad see you for it.
Nikki,
No
me need to
man,
ask you a
that part,
question.
me not think that part they go so.
Nikki, how the part there for go so, Nikki? Really?
No, cause me not know how far if sleep with her friend man or if it's like me know
See
she has
there?
space in the cool.
Yeah, she will sleep with her friend, man,
You know.
because she did sleep with
Here
what's
you
the name
know.
them,
Here you
man.
know. You see how
Well,
them talk,
me not
Nikki?
know,
Now you
me not know.
understand why me and them have
Who
been
for
in a
man should
war?
be sleep
No,
with
me not
Pink?
know, mama. Alright, if
She
that
know
one, me not
already.
know. No man, if that
Momo
one, me not know.
man.
No joke.
Nikki,
Yeah.
But
do
listen,
you know me to be a word of fucking a bathroom and in a
Nikki
parking
don't
lot of
know
Fort
nothing about
Lauderdale
you.
about the place? Me need to ask you that.
Nikki don't
what?
know nothing
You
about
hear the
you.
man them and say me fuck out and me fuck out all of the place and me fuck for bookings at Fort Lauderdale, man. You hear that before?
Nikki don't know
No, me
nothing
never hear
about
that
you.
before.
No,
Mongo
she don't know
burger.
because she know
Our
all of the
burger
man
and
them. If
chips
I them
Nicky
me
ear
fuck should I
about.
hear? She would hear.
No, me never really hear that before.
Thank you.
She know hear
Because
that from
somebody's
fear people
thinking.
them, but
And
what
so
about the
let me
people them when
explain something to
she
you.
not
Let
Pink,
me
there?
leave it,
explain
let them
something to you,
talk now,
Nikki.
Pink.
Voila, let me talk. Nikki, you
Nine
see the
issue.
girl that came up prior?
Yeah, Pink.
Me and
Stop.
her
You come
used
like
to go
you're a bully.
live. Listen, I'm going to show
Because
Nikki because I want Nikki to
remember
see
I
the
know
You
ripple
never
Cash
did
effect.
on
Queen.
the live when she come from.
Voila,
Because
number
remember I know
one,
You
Cash
Nikki to
must
Queen.
say,
see the
come
ripple
on, man.
effect.
Cash
Wagwan.
Queen. You know time me shocked when me hear Momo say, yeah, because you said Nikki Black see and beg your money. Beg your what? When me beg your Cash Queen?
She said she
Nikki.
too. She said she too Nikki, but she don't want to
No,
admit it.
Pink,
She
don't do
did
that. So you
say,
don't do that.
Pink,
Don't fucking go there.
Pink,
I mean, no,
Pink,
put your
leave
ripple.
it, Pink.
Don't like
Don't
what?
stop,
you
stop it,
can't
Pink.
tell
Don't
me
do
But
what
that,
Nicky and
Pink.
never,
I
Don't
have a
fucking
never.
play with
problem.
me.
You can't tell me
Don't
you
do
never
that
can't
because I
go
never
back.
said that.
You
Don't
Pink,
play
can't
with
stop
go
me.
now,
on
man.
internet and start something
Don't do
that
it.
we
Don't
can
do it.
angle your
I'm not
car.
make
You
no girl
couldn't, you
come
couldn't.
lie for
Cause
me.
right
I'm
now you
not in
can't
the
angle
blood
no
clot line.
triangle.
No, move on, go. The whole of them love lie too much.
Mama, you couldn't say that, Mama. None at
What
all.
the fuck
Just
me
Before
would have
say,
you.
said that for? How
just
the
say you
fuck
say it
that?
and done. You say
That
And
it.
don't
Pink,
even
leave
make
it, the
sense.
Pink. Leave it, Pink,
What you
man.
mean?
But
Say
Momo
Nicky and
said,
I
it.
angle
Momo
and
said she
triangle,
see
the
and her
man.
kids.
Well, she don't give a fuck about her blood clot pitney them because she too blood clot lie.
Who
Just like
shut
how
up?
you, just like how she did on the live last night. I said, Nikki said you fuck out at Fort Lauderdale. I'm gonna send Nikki that fucking video because every minute you call the fucking woman name, and then when me I said don't call the woman name,
Who
then
ya
go over there
talk?
and I tell the
And
woman
my
say me
daughter
I call
ya
her blood
talk.
clot
And my
name.
daughter
No,
ya
she not
talk.
talk to you. She not talk to you.
No, she attack my
The
daughter. You
fuck,
attack
man,
my
I'm tired of
daughter.
them little
She
green
not talk
blood
about
clot.
on a
Wanna
Momo, she
be
attack.
fucking
Leave
cloud fucking
Momo name
chase
out in the
something.
Pink, man.
Nikki, you're right. You need
Yeah.
to learn to
Well,
ignore them
well,
blood clot,
alright, I'm
girl,
gonna
yeah.
tell you this now. I'm gonna tell you this now. Me and Cash Queen never get close like that for par. None at all. So our sex life and fuck down place and them something that me wouldn't know that because me and I no par like that. So if
Exactly.
people she par it say them something there, they must know. But
Nobody when me
Right.
pirate say so.
Your party,
Nobody
your
when me
party
pirate
where she
ever say
named them.
so. And
me
you
no
know
know,
all
me
the
no
fucking
know.
niggas
Hey,
that
you
are
take
pirate
her
and none of
man.
them never come to you and say me
I
fuck
say
down the
what?
place, Nikki.
Hold on, I say what?
Me
I
not
say
gonna lie,
what, Cash Queen?
no, me
None
not
of
gonna lie
my
from
brethren
that.
them
Me not know
ever
about
come
that.
back and say that, Nikki, and you know that.
Say
None of
what?
my
Momo
Say
she
brethren
what?
never
living in
say
a
nothing.
pirate ever
Your
come to me.
Momo say
Say
what?
what?
Say
Mama
Momo
don't blood
say
clot
what?
know me. I mean, I'm on a par in a blood clot way. So me don't know how the fuck she know my bomber clot business.
No, you just
That's
take
why
her
me and
man.
them in
You
a
take
blood
her
clot. Why me
man.
hear them
Yeah,
get
she
up with
know
them
she
bomber
take her.
clot
She
line.
and her
Oh no,
talk
will
good
never
good.
fucking
And
be me, dumb
she invite
bitches.
her
I
one
don't give
place
a
and
fuck.
then
Y'all
she take
mad as
her
fuck.
man.
But
Y'all
at the
Pink.
have
end of
to
the
make
day,
up shit and create an army to come for me, dumb bitches.
listen,
Straight.
it's at the end of the day, Cuscus bring anything.
The
True.
only
And for
bitches them are you
Every
cash
blood clot,
queen
they them a
chill.
call my bomber clot
Pink,
name, and
stop
then
no
when me
man. Stop
defend myself,
right
them have
on
a
our
blood
rhythm,
clot
man.
problem.
Stop,
Why the
man.
so
fuck every
that have
minute
a
them a call
problem now.
my name? Every blood clot platform them go,
So
them a
Cash
call my name,
Queen.
and when me defend myself, it's
But
a problem. The
when you
one
go
But
that
by
go,
listen
internet
now.
and
yo,
trouble
stop.
people,
But Cash
people are gonna always a
Queen.
come
Yo,
for you.
it's a fucking
That's
shit
why
where you
me
just
warn
said it,
my
Nikki. I
people
don't
them
know how
say
to
no go by
ignore them, but I'm
internet trouble
tired of these
nobody.
bitches.
Cause when you go by
But Cash
internet
Queen.
trouble people,
No,
them are
You
gonna
because
try
all
call
I
because
know
find
the
one
you
bully
dirty
them
boy
the
did a
from
girl.
dog
all
you out
angles.
and a talk shit,
Nikki
and
just
my
a
big
talk.
blood clot
I
mouth come
the
and
other
come tell
sound
you. We
just
should
come
have
like
never
saying
tell you
one
no.
bully the woman. I
We
want
should have
to know.
hold
You shut
it.
your mouth
I
too.
should
So when
have
she did
fucking
come
hold
through
it.
on the live,
And
you not
Pink,
tell
And
come
her.
the
outside,
worst blood
man.
You
clot
But
thing
was
to
Nikki
come and
there.
talk
tell
and
you
she a
blood
talk.
clot.
Come
The
outside,
boy did
man.
a dog
When
you
all your
out.
girl
And
could
who
want
I
bully the
say?
You
girl,
was was
bro.
there.
Me not like it,
Were
bro.
you
I
there?
don't want
Shut up,
blood
man.
clotting when me do.
Make sure me share Nikki, just stop, man.
That's what me I
Stop,
tell you
don't
now,
Me
this
should have
Cashqueen.
advantage
never
of
come back
them
and tell you so
animal,
the boy
bro.
did a dog you. I
Yo,
don't
please
want
shut
blood
up, man,
clotting when
because
you
you
don't have
don't
a
know
life.
nothing.
Just
You
like
see,
the worst
Pink,
thing
you
when
you
me
come
don't
start
have
out
come
never
tight,
with trouble.
bro.
trouble, so me I
Come
You
out
tell
got
you.
tight,
blood clot
bro.
cases.
She see
Just
me
And
come
on a
the
out
life
live
tight,
did
on a
a
man.
dog
big
you can know
program,
and never
and
send
she
nothing
come
but
over
stupid
there to
things
say
say you
she still
cool.
Just come
embarrass
out
me
tight, no, that
and
not
embarrass
relevant right now.
herself. And that me I tell you.
Only if you talk
Someone take
one,
come
so
for
me can't
somebody,
hear
you
you.
Yeah,
take
yeah,
your beat
talk
when
one,
you get it.
Pink. Talk, that's what me I
Only
say,
talk one.
annoying.
Talk one.
I'm thinking you
Listen,
really know
Nikki.
what's going
What
on.
as
So you
me?
need to
Let me
just
tell you what me.
finalize.
What on Cashqueen? Let
You
me tell you
really need
what
to,
me
you
see,
really need
Nikki.
to understand your
What on
point. Like,
Cashqueen? Let me tell you what me see. The whole of them, bro. All of them. Everybody me see a jump down on the girl. Move with a blood clot and go and lift up off of the girl, bro.
Puss, chill
The
out,
whole
Puss.
of
When
them
time
bomb
a
clot
cash
jump
queen
down
go
for
around and
one
make
people, you
trouble.
know.
no,
Shut your
mad
fuck
because
up,
she see
Shut
the
up,
Cashqueen.
blood,
truth,
man.
dog.
Puss, shut your fuck up. She
Cashqueen,
go around and make trouble. She
listen
go
to me,
around and
Pink.
make
Let
bumper
go for the
clock
girl
trouble.
shirt,
She
man.
make
Let her
trouble.
go, bro.
She
You want
make
make
trouble
sure
and
who
play a
argue.
victim. Shut your
Leave her and
mouth.
make sure who
Shut your
argue,
mouth.
bro.
Shut your mouth. She go around and make
Yo.
trouble. She come on the
Leave
live
Problem
her,
and
and
man.
the
make
You just
trouble
let
problem,
her
what you
again.
ride
know
her
about
thing and
Come
me?
ride
come
her
and
What
talk
you
ring.
about
know
You
all
about
don't
the
need to
me?
people.
Because
breathe
I
in
will
space,
defend
bro.
Shut your
myself. That's
mouth.
what me do.
Shut the fuck
Cause
up,
she on them
Yo.
Pussy. You
see
don't
me
know
and
what
them blood
nothing.
clot jealous and blood
Lower
clot bad man. Them have
thing.
Nobody
them
not
Make
jealous
sticky
of
sure
you.
Nikki
When
eye.
deal
you
with where them are
first
dealing
come
with.
to
Just
me,
lower her, make
when
she
you
deal with.
did.
She have so many people. Me already tell her do not call Mama name, not call Mela them name, not call this name and leave it. To come on, man, just a ride already, man. She a human being, bruv, man. Come on, man.
Thank
Me I
you.
She a
never
Nikki,
human being when
do
she come for me.
whatever.
Shut your
Come
fuck up.
on, man.
Cause me
Stop
never
push
see you
fire
come
to
and
stay
roll
with,
out to
man.
the yard and roll out to Cashqueen.
Come
Shut
on,
the
bruv,
fuck
Ah,
up.
man. Come
but
on, man.
you in this and me
Stop
don't know where
bite
you
out.
come from.
You
I'm
wait,
not
where you
buying
say?
this. I'm just talking facts. You understand, Nikki?
No,
Everything
you
them
I
don't
say.
facts with it.
understand nothing.
I facts
Cashqueen
with
is a
it.
troublemaker
But
and go
listen,
around and play
We
listen.
a
not say she's
victim.
not a
Listen,
troublemaker.
Nikki,
We're
you
not
see the
saying she's
When
not
you
a
situation
make
with the
trouble
troublemaker.
girl,
on the
eh?
But
internet, you
we
feel
don't
Hold
need
upset
on,
so
when you
much
Nikki,
get
how we
there.
down
victim.
down
Hold
pan
on.
her.
I saw it
We
go.
don't need so many
Listen,
people to
Nikki, you
dump
see
on
the
one
situation
person,
with
man.
that
Come
girl, eh?
on, now.
Oh my
When
God.
me,
You see the situation with
listen,
that girl, eh? Lord, Pink, you don't even know what going on.
Pink, you only a
Stop
chance to
talking,
talk now,
man.
no Pink.
don't shout after me,
Oh,
woman. Big, dirty,
man.
ugly
The man
woman.
not even know nothing what
Don't
going on.
shout
And she just
after
in
me.
the background like a radio and blood clot music in the background like
Yo,
a
give me a radio. You are the radio, bitch. You are the radio.
Jesus
Walk and take
Christ.
people, man, like
You
dog,
know, some of us
bitch.
are going to come after this and cook my food and
So
make gonna
who
chat when
care,
no one blood
bitch?
clot chat.
Who
Come
care?
Pink,
tired.
stop now and make with people a reason. Just stop now and Pink. Make she get for
Yeah.
talk our trainer talk. We should talk our trainer talk.
Jesus.
Talk your trainer talk, girl.
What do you mean train
Nikki.
attack? How would this work?